Hi children, today let's learn about HCF and LCM. What is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor, also known as the greatest common divisor. It is the largest number that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder. For example, the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. That is, 6 is the largest number that divides both 12 and 18 without leaving a remainder. Now what is LCM? LCM is least common multiple. It refers to the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more given numbers. In simpler terms, it is the smallest number that can be divided by all given numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, as the name stands, highest common factor. It is a factor. So, the number or the answer that you get for the given two numbers is definitely less than the given numbers, less than or equal to. LCM stands for least common multiple. So, the number is definitely greater than the given two numbers, or it could even be one of the numbers, the smallest of the the greatest of the two numbers. Now let us see how to find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 15. Here is an example. 2 3s are 6 and 15 is not a multiple of 2. So you write it as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So you go on until you get 1, 1. The LCM of 6 and 15 will be 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. Now find the HCF of. This is the best way you can find the HCF without making a mistake. That is, you write down, you factorize 24, 36 and 40 separately, and then find what are the factors that are common amongst the three. So you have 2 and 2, which is 4. So 4 is the HCF of 24, 36 and 40. Now the relationship between HCF and LCM of any two given numbers A and B is H into L is equal to A into B. I hope you all have understood, children.